Hi everybody, very good morning to all of you. I am very energetic and passionate with new topic today, and that is very interesting. The thing is that what is project management and what is the project management cycle? Everybody know that project management is the application of tools, technique, processes to uh, deliver the project, which is a certain objectives in a specific time and cost. And what is the project life cycle? Project life cycle is start with initiation, planning, education, monitoring and control, and closing. What is the initiation? Any project starts when? When we have certain certain business plan, and then we have the feasibility study of that. Then you have complete ROI, return on investment, and then we think that what is the resources requirement, what is the time period required, how the budget required, and all these things. When we have initiation, we have something like that, and based on that we calculate the return based on feasibility study and return on investment. We take it forward. Initiation is one of the basic thing for any project to start with. Now, after we initiation, we go to the planning stage. What is the plan? Plan is complete planning of what is the scope of the project, what is the time required for the project, what is the quality requirements, what is the resource requirement, the communication process, the risk involved, procurement process, and stakeholder involvement, and then integration of all these resources. These all the things we do in the planning stage. If planning fails, means we fail. If planning is very important for any resource, for any project to make it successful, and each and everything to be covered in the planning. All the material resources planning, material planning, processes involved, then tools and technique involved, and what is the procurement to be done, what are the resources to be involved, what are the who are the stakeholders, and how the team organization chart will be built, and how these things will move, and how we do that. And then after this, we go to the execution stage. In the execution stage, we have to execute the project practically, where the deployment of resources, equipment, material to be there at the place, and we have to start progressing and monitoring also together. When you have execution, we have to start the monitoring and control of the progress. Education, we have the quality requirement also, that what are the quality we are going to build, and every step we have to meet the quality requirement, whether the things are going as per our specifications or not. Education stage very important, and lot of costs are involved in the education. So this has to be built based on the certain plan and specifications we have. Monitoring and control is one of the thing for the progress, to monitor the progress of the project, and we have to control the resources. We have to monitor the resources. We have to monitor the cost. We have to control the cost. We have to complete things. We have to risk. We have to control everything to be controlled and monitor, and to build the project on, and to keep the project on track. And lastly, we have to do the closing. Closing is once the quality parameters have been met, the project, all the deliverables are met, and then things are set. Then technically and commercially we have to close the project, and that is closing. And then we hand over. Any project has certain life cycle, and during the life cycle of the project, this project has to be completed. This is the certain time frame and some time bound and some budget under the budget. We have to complete the project to make it successful, and then we can close it. All the stakeholders involved in the project to be part of all these things, and they are responsible for all these things, not only project manager. That's all for today. Thank you very much.